Hello! How are you today? I am so excited to read with you. Today we're going to read Baby Touch and Feel Splish Splash. Yay! Baby Touch and Feel Splish Splash. Are you ready? Yeah? Okay, let's begin. Ooh, soap. Ducky on a rope. Washcloth. Soft and stripy. Look at all the stripes. Ooh, fish. Splish, splash. And look, this is a mermaid. Swim, swim. Wow, it's an octopus. Lots of legs. And look, it's a seahorse. Very bumpy. Ooh, seahorse feels very bumpy. Ooh, it's a seal, and it's flipping her tail. Look at her tail. Ooh, yellow seal. And this is a crab smiling at you. It's smiling. The crab is smiling at you. Wow, it's a diver. The diver is under the water. Wow, look at the diver. The diver is under the water. And look, this is a teddy. The teddy is in his boat, riding the waves, the blue waves. Oh, look, it's a penguin. Scrub his tickly tummy. And look, it's a doggy in the tub. All clean. Bubble, bubble. Doggy in the tub, all clean. Yay! We just read Baby Touch and Feel Splish Splash. Good job! That was so much fun! Yay! I'll see you next time. Bye!